How to add a collaborator to your GitHub repository. This is a step-by-step guide so you will be able to follow easily. Now this is extremely simple. First things first, you want to open up your GitHub account. And once inside, you then want to click or create a repository that you want to add the collaborators into. In my case, I have my repositories right here. I'll just go ahead and click on 1, 2, 3 as an example. And once inside your repository, all you have to do is to navigate through settings. Inside settings, under access, we have collaborators. Go ahead and click on it. It will then go ahead and show you the settings. Click on add people. And the only thing that you need to do is to go ahead and type the username of the collaborator that you want to add, a full name or email address. So if this video has been helpful for you, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.